everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for February of 2021. So let's go ahead and get into this. Open the box like that. Oh, I forgot. I did crack this open to see what was inside, and there was no card. So that really kind of stinks. So let's go ahead and go through the items that I got. And yeah, we'll go through everything. So let's pull this item out right here first, because I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer because I have gotten this before. It's not a bad product. It's just not something that really works for me, and I'll touch on why. So this is from Trestique. It is a mascara and an eye pencil. I'm just going to show you the packaging because, like I said, I'm definitely going to be giving this away. So I'm not going to be opening it for, you know, to pull out the item. So I think you can see that on the box. This item right here, the mascara, is actually pretty cool in theory. It actually has an eyelash curler on the top, which is what this little piece here is an eyelash curler. Really, really neat in theory. However, my eyes are long. I have long eyes. Yeah. Anyway, my lashes don't fit in this curler. I have to actually kind of like squeeze my eyelashes in, and they don't really fit very well. So that's the only reason why I'm giving this away. It's an okay product. I've not tried the eyeliner to my knowledge. It is in blacks, and the eye pencil is in Santorini black sand. Mascara is an Icelandic black lacquer. But like I said, I don't necessarily think that it's a bad product. It's just not something I'm going to use because my eyes are too big. Yeah. All right. Anyway, that's pretty nice though. A mascara and an eyeliner in one product. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go into the next item. This is from EVO Beauty. It is the Perfect Primer, Perfect Base Matte Finish. So it is a matte primer. It does have to have a safety seal, which is great. I do like pore minimizing primers. I do have the Benefit Perfection, is that what it's called? And I have it in like the matte version. I have it in the pearl version, and I think I might even have it in a third version. They've done a couple of different versions of the pore. I actually have one sitting right here. The Professional, not Perfect. Professional. I actually got this in a previous beauty box, or I might have bought this one, but yeah, this is the original. And then I have, like I said, I have the pearl version. I think I have one other one. Anyway, I'll be looking forward to giving this a try. Let me show you the front of the bottle, not the back. But yeah, EVO Beauty. I've never heard of EVO Beauty. If you have, let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are on it. I've never heard of it. I don't even know where you could buy it at, but I'll have to go take a look and see what I can find. All right, the next item in here is this right here. Oh, what is that? I can see it through the packaging. This is the Glamiere, is the brand. Sorry, you're hearing my son moving around out in the hallway. It looks like a little brush kit. I think that's what it is, a little brush kit. It's got a little package, which is cute. And then inside are 4 eye brushes. All right, so that's what I was kind of like making a weird face about. They're like little, we used to play with them like they were magic wands. And they're little hearts. Isn't that cute? That's cute. That is cute. So Glamiere, and it looks like a 2 little fluffy brushes, one bigger than the other one, which this I would use for my crease. This one I would use for like my outer corner and my lower lash line. Looks like, oh, it doesn't have a name on here. What it is? No. This is more like a liner or a brow brush. And then this one here is like a packing brush. It's very tiny though. I would probably use that to actually do maybe my lower lash line. But they're super cute, and they come with a bag. I could sit here and play with this all day. How about you guys? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. That's cute. I'd like to know a little bit more about the company, but I do always appreciate brushes, and they are a little bit different than what you would normally get. So that's kind of nice, especially being February and Valentine's Day. That's kind of cute. All right, the next item in here is from Tula Skincare. I've tried a couple of things from these guys. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is what it looks like. I don't even know if the camera's picking that up. It's a beautiful color, but like it's got white writing on it, which makes it very hard to see. So this is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It says, powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores and minimize the look of blackheads. Good for you ingredients like probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate reveal smoother, softer, and more balanced skin. There you go. Cool. All right, and there's one more thing in here that I'm gonna go ahead and pull out and share with you guys right now. It is this. Yeah, there's definitely no card in here. This is from Ace Beauty, and it is the Nostalgia palette. Let's see. I have some friends who are doing YouTube, and they've done some unboxings, and I have not looked at these specific unboxings yet. This is quite a palette because I wanted to see what I got first. So I'm going to go back and watch their videos, and I'm very excited to do that. So look at that. That is some color. That is some color. Wow. Okay, so if you close these 6 off, though, that's more my style. But you bring those bright pinks and purples in there, they're really pretty. They are really, really, really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. So, all right. That's something. That's something. Anyway, all right. So that is my Ace Beauty palette. So this says the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors that are meant to inspire fun and creativity and to perhaps make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So let's recap. I got the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette, the Tula Skincare Blackhead or Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, the little brushes from Glamiere, the EVO Beauty Primer, and the Trustique Mascara and Eyeliner. So that is everything in my Boxycharm base for February of 2021. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it. I would love to hear what you guys got in your boxes, and I'm going to go watch some of my friends on YouTube here and watch their unboxings and see what they have to say about theirs. So I think there was a variation. There was a different eyeshadow palette that some folks got. So let me know what you got in your box in the comment section down below. Anyway, if you like this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet, please go ahead and hit subscribe. And again, comments are always appreciated. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye guys!